Corey's Howard going extra.
All I'm saying is, now I need a platform in the front.
There we go.
But you can,
Hold on, I'm coming around. Yeah, we need a little kick out.
Yeah, but for now you can lean back, throw a foot up on the door. Just don't push on the door, but you can lean back, have a drink. Don't lean forward because you'll just get yeeted off.
You'll die.
But yeah,
so we're here after dark.
It's a good spot.
This is the first time I think we've done after dark since we did Learner's Days. Don't die. Don't die. I got the Bucking Bronco. We don't need a Bucking Bronco on the trailer.
Could be a poor decision. I might change it up a little bit.
No, we got a crew, man.
Yeah,
you can see. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I mean, I've done an after dark here and there. I've done an after dark here and there, but I think it's the first time that we've both been at an after dark in a long time.
Yeah, since the Learner's Days.
So, yeah.
So, sweet.
Be good. I'm excited for it. Yeah, we have, I don't know, I think I lost count at like 8 Mustangs. So, it'll be good.
So we got Speed Labs here. I also have my car. Don't worry about that Camaro. No. That's Ronnie's. And then we have obviously Corey's. We got Mason's. We got Talwin out here. Then we got, I think it's Tim over there, Tim's Wood over there. And then we have Nate. So we got a whole crew. So it's going to be a good time. I'm excited. So we're going to get everything ready and start ripping.
But how much are you willing to put up with my shit?
Is it bumping?
Right.
What'd you do?
I don't know. I probably hit a cone and it messed the gap up.
All right. Mid after dark update.
Yeah. Well, basically, yeah.
Kind of ish. Yeah. There's
Yeah.
2 sessions left technically.
Yeah.
One more class session and one more
Open
grid. Yeah.
half. So far, so good. Feel like we're struggling, but I guess we're putting down some okay runs.
Everybody says we're doing all right.
Yeah.
Just go by what they say.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Black Friday drift layout. It's just a little bit, they just tweaked it a little bit.
Yeah.
So we're entering a little different and it's tighter and there's we're hitting a lot more cones.
Well, I think the first time y'all went out was there was no reference because the first 3 guys knocked every single cone out outside zone 1.
Yeah.
Every single one. So everyone was coming in real
fair,
high.
I might have been a part of that train.
No.
I think we were.
No, it was before y'all.
The Z happened, and then I went the Z was in front of us.
Yeah.
I was like, screw it, we'll just run 3 deep. Why not? And he went, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna catch him real quick. And on the run up, I entered and was like, uh-oh, I'm going way too deep. I was like, okay, pedal it. I'm like watching cones at my door line. I'm like, oh, this is bad.
Yeah.
This is bad. I'm like, and Ronnie's freaking behind me.
That was me on that one lap where I took out like every cone on that side.
Going to like, it was zone 1 to zone 2, the inside cones, you were just like, I was like, oh boy.
I gotta stay in it though.
Yeah, it worked out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was cool.
funny. That was good. Yeah, so far so good. We're having fun.
Exactly.
We're having fun.
It's all good fun.
I hit the button. I hit the button.
My first 2 runs were My first one, and it's felt like I initiated, but it was still kind of wonky. The second one was good until the last zone, and it felt like I lost all power, which was weird. And then the last 3 runs was great. So, and I overdid it on the last. On going into zone 3, I was feeling really good, really awesome, and I whipped it out a little wide going into it, and it just over rotated it. So, but it felt good.
It's okay though. We didn't get that one on footage.
Yeah, thanks. Everybody was back in the pit, so it never happened. Never happened. But no, it's going good. So we're excited.
He was talking about. He's like, dude, I don't know what's with me tonight. He's like, I'm driving like absolute crap. I'm like, it's because you're not driving with me. And he's like, Ben, I'm claiming your door next session. I'm like, okay. He's like, you cool with me? Us running 2s. I'm like, whatever you want, dude. I'm like,
Yeah.
I'll run with anybody. I'm fine with it.
Yeah.
Anyways, so I guess he's coming for the door this next session.
I
See how
got
it
you.
goes. He is on Kendas. We're on the same size, but he's on twice as sticky of a tire than I am. Well,
I think it'll be all right.
more sticky than of a tire. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
It was a good time though.
I'm excited. I'm excited to see how it goes. I feel like he's gonna run into me.
Oh, for sure.
I feel like he's gonna run into me.
That was good. It's kind of bittersweet. It's gonna be the last event without that stocky stock.
It's
Dude,
great.
I could feel it in that second run. I was like, oh my god.
Dude, I think it was the second run. I think I got that one on film.
Yeah.
If I did, y'all have seen it. But no, it was like on zone 4 when you came like kind of drove through it and then kind of kicked a little bit. You can watch the front end like lean way on the tire. Like dang,
on that
bro.
second last run, I went in fine, and then when I went to transition, it felt like it just I had the foot to the floor, but I felt like it didn't have power, or it wasn't locking up or something. It just kind of drove somewhat straight, but the last 3 runs it felt fine. So it was just weird. Like it just kind of like bogged for a second.
Right.
But I don't know. It'll be all right.
It'll be all right. Yeah. Let it cool down. Should be
Yeah.
fine.
Sweet. All right. Well, we're gonna back to it. We'll take a little break.
Yeah.
And
we got driver's meeting, and then C class, A class, B class, and open grid. I think it goes that way.
yes. Yeah. Yep.
Yay.
Cool.
I gotta tell everybody to get to the car.
Hello. Hello.
We're gonna go have some fun.
Yeah.
We're gonna go run a couple of trains, and then we're gonna do some pair practicing.
Can't hear you over your car.
Yeah.
I think it's Ronnie's.
It happens.
So much freedom.
All the freedom.
All the freedom. Catch the doors. There we go. Oh, my window's foggy. Oh no. Oh.
I don't have any defrosters.
Oh no. Race car props.
What's funny is my AC works. It just blows out a big gaping hole in the dash. I don't really have any freedom on where I want it to blow.
Right. Good work. That's awesome. All right, go get it, man.
Yes, sir.
rowdy.
I came back for that last one. I'm like, I gotta go get another one. I'm like, uh-oh.
Yeah. That got rowdy.
That was awesome.
Dude, did you get the one of Jasmina in the front, the G in the very front?
No, I was back here getting my sister.
What do you call it? We came up and she was just sitting by herself, so we're like, let's all go together.
Yeah.
And no, we lined up, put a thumbs up, and it was me, Mason, and then I think it was Davey or me.
Davey was in the back.
And I was behind Mason, and dude, freaking, we all carried out to the wall. I was like, I hope everybody's doing their job, and I ran right up on his door as close as I could get, going to the wall. And it was worth it though, because it was freaking awesome.
That's awesome.
That's the most amount of clutch work that I've done.
Yeah.
Like just clutching in and not grabbing the hydro, just letting the car float. I don't know if it's just the way I've got the tires set up and the pressures and whatnot, but the car does float right now.
Yeah.
And it feels freaking phenomenal because I don't have to slow the car. I just kind of stop it from progressing or from accelerating. But those are good as runs. And he was getting on my door in zone 4.
I got some vertical and got some horizontal on the fuzzy also. It was really cool. That was awesome.
All right,
yeah.
Your turn. Go kill it.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna get my stuff ready to go. So, see what we can make happen on this second session. All right, everyone. So we are back at the house after the After Dark event, and man, that was such a fun time. I say everybody crushed it. Everyone did phenomenal. I mean, S95 ran great. S197 ran great. I mean, Nate, Mason running on everyone's door. Ronnie's car is finally working pretty well. Still some kinks with that thing, but man, he's finally getting that thing dialed in. And good news, y'all. The FTF angle kit, the BCs, and Hydro are almost here. So by the time you see this video, they'll have already arrived. They're en route tracking. I just checked this morning. They are on the way. So this was kind of bittersweet. The absolute last event that the SM95 will be running on stock suspension. Ready to get an A-class, run some doors, get some tandems going, and just feel comfortable in the car. So I'm excited. I'm excited to bring y'all on for a journey while we get the SM95 built and run some doors with Corey and the boys. So, but thank you all again for watching. Like and subscribe. Guys, as of this morning, I checked, we hit 350 subscribers. So, no, we're a small channel, but thank you all who have been here since the beginning and who have just joined along. We got some great content coming for you guys later on. So, please share it with all your friends. We love doing this for y'all. It's just a fun thing for me and Corey to do. And if y'all like it, we're going to keep doing it. So, thank you all again. Again, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you all for the next video.